Welcome back to Roger's Grand Line Collectibles. Today we got a special unboxing or opening or whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to spoil it. I'm just going to get into this and let you guys see how cool this is. I waited 2 years for it. And I finally got it. Oops, knocked somebody down. All right, 2 years of waiting. See, all right. Take a peek. All right. So he sent me. I don't know if this will give you an idea. But he sent me the Gundam he built. This is the user manual. Thank you. Extra parts. Oh my god! Custom painted Gundam. This guy at Plastic Factory, I believe. I'm gonna leave his information at the bottom in case you guys want to order one. I'm so scared to touch it. I'm pretty sure he cut this out specifically to fit this Gundam. Oh my god. Yo, this is painted. This wasn't a figure made. My man painted this Gundam to look like it's straight out of an anime. And the weapon too. Wow. Look, I don't think I'm doing this justice. Let me get some white background. It's gonna really make it pop. Puzzle box. Looks like it's just straight, like a drawing that you can pick up physically. Look at that, so cool. The arms. Yeah, I waited 2 years for this. It's definitely worth the wait, because I don't think even in 20 years I could do this. This is so awesome. Wow. And he sent me some photos he took of it. I'm gonna post those as well, because I'm not giving it any justice right here. But I have been waiting for this. I'm so excited I finally got it. I ordered a display box for it. And it's going to definitely go straight to a display box so everybody can enjoy it. Guys, hope you like this one. I know it's different from what I usually do. Again, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what I should do next.